Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kooky Cooks. In this episode, we will be making the death by chocolate, or in other words, a plate of diabetes. And today we will be having our special guest, a member of the FHN community, the man, the myth, the legend, Steven Gantz. So anyways, to get prepared to make this, you are going to need 1 box of chocolate cake mix, 1 box of brownie mix, 2 large boxes of chocolate pudding, or devil's food, 1 large tub of whipped cream, and 2 large Butterfinger bars. So I know that already sounds like a lot, but that's everything that you're going to need, and you're going to need at least a few different pots and pans to make sure you have enough to cook everything in. So what you're going to do first is you're going to follow the instructions on each of the boxes and prepare the chocolate cake, the brownies, and the chocolate pudding as they instruct. You want to prepare them each individually and cook them as such. The brownies took a little while to cook, so you may need to cook longer. Just make sure to do the toothpick test where you stick a little toothpick in and make sure no excess of the brownie or cake is attached to the toothpick, and then you'll know it's cooked. Now you get to see my brother gracefully pull the cake out of the oven. Once the chocolate cake is cooled off, you want to cut it in half and break it up in a deep dish and just crumble it up. And you want to make sure that it's in a single layer and not too thick. Now you get to watch me as I take out my rage on these Butterfingers. You also get a nice close-up of my beautiful uncut nails. Don't worry, I did cut them. About 2 months after we took this video. Next, you want to tear apart the pieces of brownie and then layer that on top of the chocolate cake. The next layer is going to be the chocolate pudding, and you just put that on. And once the pudding is on the brownie and the cake layer, repeat again until the chocolate, brownie, and pudding are to your satisfaction or you've used all the ingredients. And now that you've done that, apply the whipped cream across the top of the cake and chop up the Butterfingers into fine pieces or just smash them like I did. Get out all your anger and sprinkle on top of the whipped cream mixture. For the best results, keep in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Otherwise, it just ends up being really hot and honestly doesn't taste that great. But once it's cooled off, it tastes a lot better. Anyways, that's how you make the death by chocolate. So what do you think?
It's pretty good. Yeah. Kind of looks like